Turkish cuisine includes a wide variety of dishes made with fresh ingredients such as meat, vegetables, grains, and dairy products. Some common ingredients used in Turkish cooking include lamb, beef, chicken, eggplant, tomatoes, peppers, yogurt, and various spices such as cumin, paprika, and mint. Prices of these ingredients can vary depending on factors such as location, season, and quality. For specific price information, it would be best to check with local markets or grocery stores.
Okay, so some of you may remember back that I actually posted some videos about how I actually gave my robots a voice. It was called Botta-Bing. And the project had to do with it was a two-way chat application I created that used ChatGPT to gather some of the information, not all of the information, and it gave a two-way response kind of environment for my little rovers that I make also. So I make the rovers. I don't make the computers that run on the rovers. I get those, and then I wrote the software that allows you to talk to the rovers, and the rovers talk to you back. And so that project was called Botta-Bing, and it's been working perfectly, and everything's been going fine. And then I got a whammy of an email, and here's the email. The email is actually from OpenAI, and they're announcing that the model that I used for it, which would be the Text DaVinci 003 model, is going to be decommissioned on January 4th, 2024. And that I would have to upgrade my model, otherwise my chatty little robots would stop working. So I had to go back and update the project. Now, also, this project for the two-way chat, so this would be you talk to the bot talks back to you, all using plain English. I have a version of this project running on GitHub that is a public project that is free to download. And this project what needed to be updated to from this DaVinci 003 model to either a ChatGPT or GPT 3.5 or 4.0 model that would be longer lived. So that's what I did. I went back and I updated this project from March to run the new 3.5 Turbo 1106 model, which will take you into next year or so. So that's what this video is about, just discussing the fact that the modeling language was updated to 3.5. No longer any need to worry about this chat app not working. All the information on how to get the chat app working is here. And you too can have your own version of this chat app working. So I also wanted to point out that the public version of this is using ChatGPT 3.5 to get information back, along with other APIs, Open Weather Maps, and some others that are listed here. So please follow the instructions if you want to get a fully working version. And here are some sample things you can say to it, but there's no restriction on what you can say to it because ChatGPT can process anything. So if you follow the instructions, you should get a working version of this to run. And it should also be low cost because this version that's free is using OpenAI's Whisper for the actual translation, and also it's using you can change it to use Google API as it's transcribed, so Google Transcribe service. So which will cost you a little bit, but it's pennies as opposed to being inexpensive, like the Whisper product, which doesn't cost anything. So this is the free version. However, there is another version that is running that I have available, that I'm actually, after this little video gets put up, I'm going to put up little videos on this other version, the Azure Cognitive version. So this is the most realistic version of this two-way chat. This is actually the version that my bots are running. This is not publicly available. If anybody wants to learn about this version, you can contact me via email, and I'll talk to you about this one. But this one is a bit different from the other one. The other one you could talk to and it would talk to you back. This one you can talk to and it'll also talk to you back quicker and smoother. But in addition to all of that, it has the ability to remember what you talked to it about. So you don't have to, each conversation is not a new conversation. It has retention, and it can, you can reference things that you talked to it about previously, and it will then remember and know that it did speak to you about those things, and it will be able to make those references. So in addition, this version also has been updated to the latest model from ChatGPT. So I appreciate everyone's time. Right after this, I'm going to put up the robot doing its thing, talking to me, and I'm talking to it. And okay, I have to admit, I like talking to the bot so much more than I like talking to the people nowadays, because I can actually trust what it says. But I appreciate your time. I'm going to show you how the bot is working now. If you want this Azure Cognitive version, which you're going to hear the bot actually demonstrate, give me an email. And the free version running OpenAI's Whisper and or, I shouldn't say and or, it would be running Whisper or Google Transcribe, is running right here on my GitHub. So you can feel free to download the free version and get it up and running. It was just updated. Okay, I appreciate you. Bye-bye. Computer, how tall is the Empire State Building?
1 moment, please. The Empire State Building in New York City stands at a height of 1,454 feet, 443.2 meters, including its antenna.
Can you tell me about the U.S. Army?
Okay, thank you. Now checking. The United States Army is the largest branch of the United States Armed Forces, responsible for land-based military operations. It was established on June 14, 1775, and has played a key role in numerous conflicts throughout the nation's history. The Army consists of a diverse range of soldiers, including infantry, armor, artillery, aviation, and various support units. Its mission includes defending the nation, conducting humanitarian and disaster relief missions, and supporting other branches of the military. The Army is known for its strong emphasis on training, discipline, and readiness.
Did we discuss the Empire State Building?
Please bear with me. I am reviewing your request. Yes, I provided information about the Empire State Building's height in response to your earlier question. If you have more specific questions about the Empire State Building, feel free to ask.